Well, this is going to be Dottie's first bird contact in her whole life, besides just Tweety birds in the backyard. So I've got a pigeon planted out here in a kick cage. And we'll see if she can't find it and get to knocking and chasing a little bit, get the birdiness in her. We'll see how it goes. All right, let's go get him. Come on, Dottie. Okay. Thank you for watching me. Here she goes. Maybe she'll find it here. Good girl. Good dog. Oh, got the brown point. Gotta clean out the pipes, don't you? I got that bird planted under those trees over there. All right. There's a bird over here. Let's find him. Find the bird. Dottie, this way. Find the bird. Yeah, come on, this way. Okay, find the bird, Dottie. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Let's go. You're a good girl. Yeah, okay. Let's go. Find the bird. Where's the bird, Dottie? Where's the bird? Find the bird. Dottie. Dottie. This way. It's right over here. Where's the bird? Dottie. Find the bird. Where's the bird? Find the bird. Where is it? Find the bird. Yeah, where's the bird? Where's the bird, Dottie? Hey, just picked up scent. That's the bird. Good girl. Good, Dottie. That's the bird. Yeah, that's the bird. Get the bird, Dottie. Good girl. That's the bird. Yep. What do you think, Dottie? There it is. That's the bird. Good girl. Good girl, Dottie. Yeah, that's a bird. Good girl. Good dog. Good dog. Yeah, that's where it was. That's where it was, Dottie. That's a good girl. Yay! Good girl, Dottie. That's where the bird was. Good dog. You found it. Yep, that's the bird. That's where it was. Now it's starting to really rain. Yeah. Dottie's a good dog. Good dog, Dottie. Yeah, good girl. That's where he was, Dottie. Well, that's how you like it to happen. It's a little nervous, but she'll get it. A few more contacts like that, she's just going to be all sorts of jacked up about them. Yeah, good girl, Dot. Looking for another one, huh? Yeah. Okay.